Welcome back, everyone. Today's review is all about prestige, innovation, and refinement. We had the chance to spend some serious time with the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, what many consider to be the benchmark for full-size luxury sedans. Mercedes has once again raised the standard, and the 2026 model doesn't just maintain the legacy, it evolves it. Every inch, every surface, and every system in this car has been crafted to deliver a next-level experience. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the backseat, this is automotive luxury redefined. The exterior design doesn't shout, it speaks with quiet authority. It's unmistakably S-Class, but this year's model carries sharper lines, more precise detailing, and refined aerodynamics. The front fascia is bold yet elegant, with a prominent grille that showcases the iconic three-pointed star in the center. Now flanked by digital light LED headlamps, with micro-mirror technology capable of projecting warnings or guides directly onto the road. The lower intakes are wider and sculpted with precision, subtly improving airflow while enhancing visual width. As you move to the side, you notice the perfect proportions: long, flowing lines, short overhangs, and a sweeping roofline that glides into the rear with grace. Flush-mounted door handles emerge as you approach, part of the seamless design. Soft creases along the doors add tension without disrupting the elegance. The vehicle sits on beautifully crafted 21-inch alloy wheels that fill the arches perfectly, and the side profile manages to communicate both strength and poise. The optional AMG styling package adds more muscular touches, but even in its standard form, the presence is undeniable. Around the back, the taillights have been redesigned with new 3D helix lighting signatures that subtly animate when locking or unlocking. The chrome strip that spans the trunk lid adds a touch of sophistication, while integrated exhaust outlets and a smooth bumper complete the polished look. The overall silhouette is aerodynamic yet stately, with every design element working in harmony to create an aesthetic that is timeless and forward-looking at once. Stepping inside the 2026 S-Class is like entering a sanctuary. It's quieter, more technologically advanced, and more indulgent than ever before. Immediately your eyes are drawn to the massive central OLED display, now 17 inches, floating above a waterfall-like center console. Below it, a finely knurled glass control strip offers haptic feedback, and the ambient lighting system, featuring over 250 LEDs, responds to your voice, touch, and drive mode in real time. The steering wheel is now more sculptural, with intuitive touch controls that control a reconfigurable 12.3-inch digital driver cluster, offering multiple display themes, including a 3D effect that creates real depth without glasses. Materials are, as expected, impeccable. You get Nappa leather as standard, with available quilted patterns and contrast piping, plus real wood, brushed aluminum, or piano black trims depending on the configuration. Even the climate vents are machined aluminum with integrated air scent and purification systems. Every surface you touch feels solid and luxurious. The seats are masterpieces on their own, fully adjustable in 20 directions, heated, ventilated, massaging, and featuring a hot stone function that mimics a spa-like experience during long drives. Rear seat passengers are treated like royalty. With the executive rear seat package, you get power reclining seats with calf supports, individual entertainment screens, a chilled console, folding tables, and even an optional refrigerator between the seats. Mercedes also includes biometric recognition for seat and climate preferences, and there's even voice control available from the back, so passengers never have to lean forward or reach for anything. Now let's talk about how this machine moves. The 2026 S-Class comes with a range of powertrains, starting with the S500 model, which features a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine with EQ Boost mild hybrid technology, producing 429 horsepower and 384 lb-ft of torque. The S580 steps up to a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with EQ Boost, delivering 496 horsepower and 516 lb-ft. Both are paired with Mercedes' silky smooth 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive as standard. For the first time, there's also an S450e plug-in hybrid option, offering nearly 60 miles of all-electric range and a total system output of over 500 horsepower. Performance is effortless. The 0 to 60 minute times range from 4.3 to 4.8 seconds, but it's not about raw speed. It's about how composed it feels while doing it. The air suspension with e-active body control scans the road ahead and adjusts the damping of each wheel individually, making imperfections nearly disappear. The S-Class glides through corners with grace, and rear axle steering makes it feel surprisingly nimble in tight spaces. Even at high speeds, the cabin remains whisper quiet thanks to active noise cancellation, acoustic glass, and heavy insulation. Fuel efficiency varies by model, with the inline-6 averaging around 26 mph combined, the V8 closer to 20 mph, and the plug-in hybrid providing the best economy for those who can charge regularly. While no S-Class is inexpensive to operate, the hybrid option significantly reduces fuel use without sacrificing performance. Pricing for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class begins at around $115,000 for the S500 and climbs to nearly $145,000 for a well-equipped S580 with the executive package. The plug-in hybrid starts around $122,000 but qualifies for some incentives in certain markets, depending on your region. Optional features like the Burmester 4D sound system, night vision assist, and the full rear seat executive suite can easily push the price north of $160,000, but at no point does the S-Class feel overpriced. What you're paying for is not just a car, but an experience, a rolling expression of craftsmanship, technology, and comfort. The 2026 model doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. It refines every part of the driving and riding experience to the point where it's hard to imagine how much better it can realistically get. Having spent time in it, both behind the wheel and in the rear seat, it's clear that Mercedes hasn't just kept the S-Class ahead of the curve. They've widened the gap. It's more than just a luxury sedan. It's a flagship not only for Mercedes-Benz, but for the industry. Whether you're a chauffeur-driven executive or a passionate driver who wants the best of both worlds, the S-Class continues to make a powerful, confident statement without ever needing to raise its voice. If you enjoyed this review and want more deep-dive content on luxury cars like the S-Class, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop your comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how this car stacks up in today's competitive luxury landscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride.